Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. This is 5th class in integration chapter. We are in third model. In first model, we learned 19 integration formulas. In model number 2, whatever the 19 formulas we learned, in all 19 formulas, in place of x, if ax plus b is present, then how to integrate those problems that we learned in model number 2. In model number 3, two types of formulas we learned. What are those two types of formulas? Look here. Integral of f dash of x divided by f of x dx. If numerator is the derivative of denominator, then how to write its answer? We'll write it as log mod f of x plus c. In last class, I derived this result, and in exercise number 7.2 related to this formula, around 10 problems are there. I completed all problems in last class. This is the first formula we learned in model number 3. Now, second formula, integral of f dash of x divided by root f of x dx. Last class, we derived this result also when given integral is of this form, integral of f dash of x divided by root f of x dx, then its answer is 2 root f of x plus c. Okay, so these type of problems we did in last class. These two problems we learned in model number 3. One more formula is there in model number 3. That is this formula. So in this class, I am going to derive this result, and based on this formula, around more than 10 problems are there. You observe, these are all of same type of problems. All these problems you can find in exercise number 7.2. So in this class, we are going to do all these problems. Without much delay, let's begin the class. Okay, first thing, I am going to derive this result. You see this formula. What is this formula? Integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. You see here f of x is there and whole power n is there, and besides it into f dash of x dx. When given integral is of this form, then we will write its answer as f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. First, I'll derive this result, and to derive this result, I'll use substitution method. Okay, so first thing is what? In the given question, here f of x is there. I'll take this f of x as t. In substitution method, we'll take something as t and we'll differentiate it. Okay, so here I'll take f of x equal to t. Okay, let f of x equal to t. Now you differentiate this with respect to x on both sides. Differentiate d by dx of f of x. I am differentiating this with respect to x on both sides, equal to d by dx of t. Okay, d by dx of f of x, that means derivative of f of x. Derivative of f of x is denoted by f dash of x. Okay, I'll write the derivative of f of x is denoted by f dash of x equal to d by dx of t. D by dx of t is dt by dx. Okay, that is dt by dx. Now what I'll do, I'll take this dx to the left hand side. What you will get, that is f dash of x into dx equal to dt. Okay, now you observe here, this one, first one and this one. These two things I am going to substitute in this. Okay, so first I'll take this part. Take integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. This is the given information, right? Now I need to prove this one. Okay, now what I said, this one, both I'll substitute in the question. Okay, that equal to integral of f of x. Look here, f of x. What is f of x? F of x is t. Okay, t power n into f dash of x dx is there. Look here, what we got f dash of x dx as? We got f dash of x dx as dt. So in place of f dash of x dx, I'll write dt, okay, into dt. Okay, now look this, it is of which form? What is the formula we learned in first class? Integral of x power n dx formula is what? Is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, so integral of t power n dt is what? That equal to t power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. I hope you understand. I just applied this formula to this integral. So I got like this. Actually, here you see what is t? We considered f of x as t. I taken f of x as t. So in this formula, wherever t is there, there I'll write f of x. Okay, write that equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So what I got finally here? Final conclusion, look here, I'll write, I taken this one, this equal to, okay, this equal to, what we got it as? We got like this, f of x, we got it like this, f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. See here, integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx is f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. I hope you understand. So what is this, what you learn in this? We will take this as formula from now onwards. Today's class hero is this. In this class hero is this. All the problems what I will do today, for all the problems I am going to use this formula. Integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Understand? Now I am going to do problems related to this formula. Okay, we'll move to this. Look here, integral of log x whole square divided by x dx. Very good. Now, what I'll do? What is the formula? You know this formula. Integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx equal to, what is this formula? F of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is the formula we derived. Okay. Now, you look here. This is of this form. F of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Actually, not directly, but this I can write into this form. How? Look here. With little bit of simplification. Integral of this log x whole square by x is there. I'll write like this. Log x whole square into 1 by x dx. Okay. Here, look here. You need to know derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is what? In differentiation chapter we learned this. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Correct? Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So here you observe this is f of x. Its derivative is there here. Here whole power n is there. If you observe this clearly, this is of which form? F of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Correct? F of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. So this is of this form only. F of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. So what is integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx? The answer is f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Here the point is, what is f of x? Look here, this is f of x, right? What is the answer? F of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So what you will get here? That equal to log x whole power n plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 divided by 3 plus c. I hope you understand. Now, you observe this question and we'll carry this formula because we needed this in today's class. Whatever the problems I'll do, in all the problems I need this formula. Okay, this is the formula. This is the hero of the story today. You must thorough with this formula. Integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx is f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, first thing, this given function is of this form, f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. I'll check it. Here 1 divided by root over 1 minus x square is there. To do this problem, you must know this. Derivative of sine inverse x. In differentiation, we learn this formula. Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 divided by root over 1 minus x square. Okay, this is the formula. So what I'll do here, I'll rearrange this function a little bit. Sin inverse x into 1 divided by root over 1 minus x square dx. I hope you are understanding. See this something like 2 by 3 is there. 2 by 3 can be written as 2 into 1 by 3 na. We can write like this na. So in the same way, this expression I written as sin inverse x into 1 divided by root over 1 minus x square dx. Okay. You know that derivative of sin inverse x is 1 divided by root over 1 minus x square dx. Now the point is this question is of this form or not? F of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Is it is of this form? Look here, derivative of sin inverse x is 1 divided by root over 1 minus x square. Okay, but n, what is n here? What is n? Now I can write this sin inverse x as sin inverse x whole power 1. I can write like this. Yes. So if you observe this, this is of which form? Integral of, look here, f of x. This is f of x. F of x whole power n into, this is sin inverse x derivative, f dash of x dx. So what is the formula you know? What is the formula you know? F integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx is f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Good. So that equal to, right, what you will get here? Sin inverse x whole power n plus 1. Whole power n plus 1. Here what is n? N is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Whole square divided by 2 plus c. So this problem is very easy. So integral of sin inverse x divided by root over 1 minus x square dx is sin inverse x whole square divided by 2 plus c. Whatever the problems I am doing today, all these problems are there in exercise number 7.2. Okay, right. Now we'll move to next question. Understand this? Now you observe this one. This is the formula I needed now. Okay. So you observe this question. Is this question, if you observe this question, is it is in the form of integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx? Is this is in the form of integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx? Good. But actually this is not in that form. I'll do little bit of arrangements to this given function to write into this form f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. What I'll do? That equal to integral of, this one is there here, root over 1 plus 2x square. I'll write this one like this, 1 plus 2x square whole power 1 by 2. See this part is there na, I written 1 plus 2x square, root can be written as whole power 1 by 2 na, I written like that, into, here x is there na, that x I'll write, into x dx. Okay. Now what I am trying to do? I am trying to write this in the form of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. I hope you are understanding. Okay. Now look here. This is f of x. This is f of x. What is the derivative of 1 plus 2x square? I will calculate here. Derivative of 1 plus 2x square. Okay. That equal to derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of 2x square. Derivative of 2x square is what? Derivative of 2x square is 4x. Derivative of 2x square is 4x. Right? So, 2 into derivative of x square is 2x. 2 into derivative of x square is 2x. So, derivative of 2x square is 4x. Okay. Now, what I came to know, the derivative of 1 plus 2x square is 4x. Okay. Now, here I need 4x actually. But only x is there. It's okay. X is there. I need 4x. Right? So only shortage of 4 is there. It can be easily rectified. It is constant now. 4 is constant now. So I can write like this. Integral of 1 plus 2x square. 1 plus 2x square whole power 1 by 2 into 4x dx. I hope you are understanding. Look here. As here 4 constant. I can take 4 outside the integral. Then this 4 will get cancelled. Okay. What I did for this function. I just multiplied and divided with 4. Okay, now you observe this one. This is f of x. Okay, f of x whole power n. What is the derivative of 1 plus 2x square? Derivative of 1 plus 2x square is 4x. So it is of the form integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. So can I apply this formula to this? Yes, I can apply. How to apply? 1 by 4 into Yes, f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Now what is the answer? F of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. What is f of x here? This is f of x. What to write here? F of x 1 plus 2x square whole power n plus 1. What is n here? N is 1 by 2. So n plus 1 means 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. If I do this little bit of simplification, 1 by 4 into, you look here, 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2, right? 1 divided by 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3. Okay, I'll write that 2 by 3 into 1 plus 2x square whole power 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus c. This 2 in this 2 times will get cancelled, that equal to 1 by 6 into 1 plus 2x square whole power 3 by 2 plus c. I hope you understand the solution for this problem. What is the main thing here? When given integral is of this form or not, that you need to check. Okay, so good. I hope you understand this problem. Now look here, hero of this story needed now, right? This is the hero of this story. Now you observe the question. This is the given question. Now my question is this given question is of the form integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Given question is of this form. You observe this one. What I'll do, this function is there, na? This function I'll try to write into this form, f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Okay, how to write it into this form? Integral of, here you observe this one, this root is there, na? This root I'll write it as whole power 1 by 2. Okay, x square plus x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2. Why I am doing like this? Just I am trying to write this in the form of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Okay, you observe this one. Here 4x plus 2 is there, na? I can take 2 common. Take 2 common. Okay, if we take 2 common, 2 will come here. And what is remaining here? 2x plus 1 is remaining. I hope you understand. You just multiply these two things. 2 into 2x plus 1 is what? 2 into 2x plus 1 is 4x plus 2 only. In 4x plus 2, I taken 2 common. That 1, 2 I written outside the integral. I hope you understand this. What I am trying to do? I am trying to write this in the form of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Okay, right. Now you observe, this is of which form? This is f of x whole power n into, this is f dash of x. Look here, derivative of x square plus x plus 1. What is derivative of x square plus x plus 1? Derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is what? 2x plus derivative of x. What is the derivative of x? Derivative of x is 1. Okay, derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of 1. Derivative of constant is 0. I'll write that. So derivative of x square plus x plus 1 is what? That is 2x plus 1. Look here, derivative of x square plus x plus 1 is 2x plus 1. You observe this. This is f of x. This is n. Its derivative is 2x plus 1. So given integral is of the form f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Yes, given integral is of the form f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. So I can apply this formula. Yes, apply that equal to 2 times of what is that formula? F of x square plus x plus 1 whole power n plus 1. What is n here? N is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 is what? 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. I hope you understand. Little bit of simplification is possible here. You look here. 2 divided by 3 by 2 is what? 2 divided by 3 by 2 is 2 into 2 by 3. That is 4 by 3. So 2 divided by 3 by 2 is 4 by 3. Okay. 4 by 3 into x square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. I hope you understand. So integral of given function is this one. I hope you understand. 4 by 3 into x square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2. Very good. 15th problem completed. 16th problem. Look this problem. Integral of 1 plus log x whole square divided by x dx. Okay. How to integrate this? What is the formula? You know this formula. Integral of f of x whole power n. f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. What is this formula? This is the hero of this story. In this class, I am going to do all the problems related to this formula only. You must thorough with this formula. Okay, n plus 1 plus c. Now, the question is, this is the given function. Is it is in the form of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx? Actually not direct, but we can write. How to write? That equal to integral of, look here, 1 plus log x whole square divided by x is there. Na? I want to write this in the form of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Okay, what is f of x here? 1 plus log x whole square into, here divide by x is there. Na? That I can write into 1 by x. What I am trying to do? I am trying to write given function in the form of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. You look here, 1 plus log x is there. What is the derivative of 1 plus log x? In differentiation chapter, we learned this. Derivative of 1 plus log x is derivative of 1 plus derivative of log x. What is derivative of 1? Derivative of 1 is 0, constant, plus derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Okay. So what I will do here, derivative of 1 plus log x is 1 by x. What I identified? I identified that this is of the form f of x whole power n into f dash of x. Derivative of 1 plus log x is 1 by x. Okay. So the given integral is of this form, integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. So I can write this formula. To write this one, to write this, you need to identify what is f of x. Look here, this is f of x. Okay, write the answer. F of x, that is 1 plus log x whole power n plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 divided by 3 plus c. Actually, whatever the problems I am doing today's class, these problems we can do by substitution method. But every time I started using substitution method, means later in the coming exercises we will confuse, especially exercise number 7.3 onwards. Every time I started doing substitution method, means you will confuse. What I am trying to say, what are the problems I am doing today? All these problems can be done by substitution method. But without substitution method, by using 3 formulas, in this model total 3 formulas we learned till now. This is the third formula. Look here, this is the third formula. This is the third formula. When given integral is of this form, then we can write the answer directly. After this next problem, whatever the next problems are there, after this formula, after the next class, what are the problems I will do, there you will learn what is actual substitution method. There are so many problems in integration without substitution method, directly you can write the answer. That is what we learn in class number 4 and class number 5. Okay, right, good. You do not confuse that in some other videos they did these problems by substitution method. I also can do these problems by substitution method, but the point is I don't want to confuse you. After exercise 7.3 onwards, in so many problems, every time we cannot use substitution method. At that time you need to write the answer directly. So I am making you perfect now only, so that in the coming exercises you can write the answer very easily. I hope you understand what I said. Now see this one. Okay, see this one. Integral of x plus log x whole square into x plus 1 divided by x. What is my main intention? I want to write this in the form of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. That is my main intention. You observe, to write this function into this form, I will make little bit of changes. You know this, 2 into 3 divided by 5 is there. Can I write it as 2, can I write this as 2 into 3 by 5? Yes, I can write 2 into 3 divided by 5 can be written as 2 into 3 by 5. I am going to do the same thing here. What I will do, integral of x plus log x whole square, x plus log x whole square into x plus 1 divided by x. I written like this. Why I written like this? Just to get into this form. That's it. Now look here, this x plus 1 divided by x is there. X plus 1 divided by x. This can be written as x by x plus 1 by x. Right? X by x is 1 plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 divided by x is 1 plus 1 by x. I will write that in the next step. That equal to integral of x plus log x whole square into this one is there na, x plus 1 divided by x. This can be written as x by x 1, x by x is 1 plus 1 by x dx. I hope you are understanding. Now you observe what is the derivative of x plus log x. I'll write here derivative of x plus log x. Derivative of x plus log x is what? Derivative of x plus derivative of log x. Derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of log x is 1 by x. Very good. So derivative of x plus log x is 1 plus 1 by x. You look here, derivative of x plus log x is 1 plus 1 by x. So what I got? This is of the form f of x whole power n into its derivative. 1 x plus log x derivative is 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, good. That equal to, so what I'll do here, this integral is of this form na, integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. As this is of the form integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx, its answer is f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So what you will get here, its answer is x plus log x whole cube divided by 3 plus c. I hope you understand this problem. These are easy problem. Only the thing is, by seeing the question, you need to identify that this is of this form. In case if not, little bit of simplification, can I write given function into this form or not? That is what we are learning in this class. Okay, now you observe this one. Hero of this story is needed. Okay, now you observe this one. Integral of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x whole square dx. Actually, we want in the form of f of x whole power n. But here, 1 plus cos x whole square is there. It is there in the denominator. But it's okay, no problem. You know this formula now. What is that formula? 1 divided by a power m can be written as a power minus m. Right? Loss of indices. A power minus m is 1 divided by a power m. So, I can use that. So, to do this problem, to write this into this form, what I'll do? I'll rewrite given function like this. Integral of 1 plus cos x whole power minus 2. I can write like this. See here, 1 divided by a power m. 1 divided by a power m can be written as a power minus m. Okay. Into, here what is remaining? Sin x is there, na? That sin x I'll write. Why I am writing like this? Just to get this problem. Just to get this problem into this form. Okay. Right. So, that equal to, now you observe what is the derivative of 1 plus cos x. I'll do that one also. Derivative of 1 plus cos x. Derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So this one derivative of 1 plus cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of 1 plus cos x is minus sin x. We have a small problem here. Look, 1 plus cos x derivative is minus sin x. But here only sin x is there. It's okay, no problem. Minus sin x means I need to multiply this with minus 1. So for this function, I'll multiply and divide with minus 1. So then you will get like this. 1 minus I'll write outside and 1 plus cos x whole power minus 2 into minus sin x dx. I hope you are understanding. Now you see this minus will become plus again. You will get same step what is there above. Okay, why I written like this? Just to get into this form, integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Look here, what is 1 plus cos x derivative? 1 plus cos x derivative is minus sin x. So 1 plus cos x derivative is minus sin x. Now, is the given question is of this form? Integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx? Yes. So what I'll do here, that equal to minus. This is f of x, this is n, this is f dash of x. What is the answer? Answer is f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. What is f of x? This is f of x, 1 plus cos x. Okay, 1 plus cos x whole power n plus 1. Here n is what? N is what here? N is minus 2. N plus 1, that is minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. That equal to minus of, simplify a little bit, 1 plus cos x minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 plus c. You look here, this minus will get cancelled and it will become plus. Okay, now what is remaining? 1 plus cos x whole power minus 1. 1 plus cos x whole power minus 1. So answer is 1. This can be written as 1 divided by 1 plus cos x plus c. I hope you understand this problem. Now you see this one. Integral of cot x into log of sin x dx. What is the hero of this story? This is the hero of this story. When given integral of the form integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx, we will write its answer as f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Now, how to identify that this function is of this form or not? Okay. Now, I'll check here. What is derivative of log of sin x? I'll check it here. Derivative of dy dx of log of sin x. What is derivative of log of sin x? I know chain rule differentiation. So, as per chain rule differentiation, I'll imagine this as x. Derivative of log of sin x is what? Derivative of log of sin x is 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. All these things we learn in differentiation chapter. So, cos x divided by sin x. In trigonometry, you know this formula. Cos x divided by sin x is cot x. Cos x divided by sin x is cot x. This is cot x. So, you look here. What I got, derivative of log sin x is cot x. You look here. Here log sin x is there. Here cot x is there. With little bit of arrangement, I can write this in the form of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Look here, that equal to integral of log sin x. I'll write first because it is multiplication only. Log sin x in the whole power 1 I'll write into cot x dx into cot x dx. Okay, what happened here? This is f of x. You need to take this is f of x because derivative of log of sin x is cot x. Okay, so as a multiplication, you know, in multiplication a into b is same as b into a. So first I written this one. Here whole power is not there. Now I written whole power 1 into cot x. Now you observe this one. You observe this is f of x whole power n and derivative of log sin x is cot x. Okay, derivative of log sin x is cot x. So now this is of the form f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. This is of the form f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. So what is the answer for this? F of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Now in this, what is f of x? F of x is log of sin x. So that is log of sin x whole power n plus 1. What is n here? N is 1. 1 plus 1, 2 divided by 2 plus c. I hope you understand. Now, you observe this one. Integral of root, integral of root over sine 2x into cos 2x dx. Okay. How to do this problem? Our basic idea is I am observing that given function is of this form or not. Integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Okay. Here root is there. Na? This in the question root is there. Na? This root I'll write it as whole power 1 by 2. Okay. That equal to integral of sine 2x. This root is there. Na? I'll write it as whole power 1 by 2 into cos 2x dx. This root is there. Na? I written as whole power 1 by 2. Now, what is the basic idea? I am trying to convert this into this form. Now, if I suppose this is f of x, what is the derivative of sine 2x? What is the derivative of sine 2x? I'll write here derivative of sine 2x. In chain rule differentiation, we learn all these things, how to differentiate this. I'll imagine this 2x as x. It looks like sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. So what is this? This is cos 2x into derivative of 2x is 2. So derivative of sin 2x is 2 into cos 2x. Derivative of sin 2x is 2 into cos 2x. This is we learn in differentiation chapter. Okay. Now I'll suppose this is f of x. This is whole power n. What is derivative of sin 2x? Derivative of sin 2x is 2 into cos 2x. But here only cos 2x is there. The shortage of 2 is there. So only I need 2 cos 2x. 2 is constant. Na? What I'll do, this function I'll multiply and divide with 2. Okay. Then what you will get? You will get like this 1 by 2 into integral of sine 2x whole power 1 by 2 into 2 cos 2x. 2 cos 2x dx. I hope you are understanding. Actually, I need 2 cos 2x here. That's why you look here 2. This 2 is constant. Now if we take it outside, this 2 will get cancelled. We can write like this. Now you observe this integral. This is f of x. Okay, this is n. F of x whole power n into f dash of x. What is derivative of sine 2x? Look here, derivative of sine 2x is 2 cos 2x. Sine 2x derivative is there here. So I identified that this is of the form f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Very good. So what you will get, that equal to 1 by 2 into f of x. This is the formula. What is f of x? F of x is sine 2x. Okay, sine 2x whole power n plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 is what? 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 is what? 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, so now simplification of this. 1 by 2 into 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3. Okay, that equal to 1 by 3 into sine 2x whole power 3 by 2 plus c. I hope you are understanding these problems. See, in examination, they don't specify that this problem is of this form. They don't specify that. We are doing the problems model wise. That's why by seeing the question, immediately we will try to convert this into this form. But in examination, by seeing the question, you need to identify, yes, this integration can be done by using this formula. That comes with practice. You need not to worry. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Now another 2 problems are remaining. Okay, look here. Hero of this story, we need that. I'll bring first. Okay, this is the formula we needed to get this into this form. Actually, this is here f of x whole power n is there. You look here, 1 minus tan x whole square is there. Or I can rearrange the given functions like this. Look here, 1 divided by cos square x. In trigonometry, you know that 1 by cos x is secant x. 1 by cos square x is what? 1 by cos square x is secant square x. 1 by cos square x is secant square x whole divided by, okay, whole divided by 1 minus tan x, 1 minus tan x. Sorry, I did a mistake, right? What I'll do first, I'll write like this. 1 minus tan x whole power minus 2 into, here this 1 divided by 1 minus tan x whole square is there, na? That I written like this, 1 minus tan x whole power minus 2 into, you look here, 1 by cos square x is there, na? We know the trigonometry formula, 1 by cos square x is secant square x. What I am saying here, 1 by cos square x is there, na? 1 by cos square x can be written as secant square x dx. What the basic idea? What I am trying to do? I am trying to do that this in the form of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Okay. Now, the point is, what is 1 minus tan x derivative? What is the derivative of 1 minus tan x? I will write here. Derivative of 1 minus tan x. Okay. Derivative of 1 is what? Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of 1 is 0. I will write here. Derivative of 1 is 0 minus derivative of tan x. In differentiation, we learn this formula. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Okay. So, derivative of 1 minus tan x is what? Derivative of 1 minus tan x is minus secant square x. Okay. So, here 1 minus tan x derivative, here secant square x is there, but actually, what is derivative of 1 minus tan x? Derivative of 1 minus tan x is minus secant square x. I need minus here. Okay, I need minus secant square x. Very simple. I'll multiply the given function with minus in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So, I'll get like this. 1 minus tan x whole power minus 2 into minus secant square x dx. You look here, when I multiply this minus and this minus, minus will become plus and you will get the same step what is there above. Now, the point is, what I am trying to write? I am trying to write given function in the form of f of x. This is f of x. Whole power n. This is n. N is minus 2 into f dash of x. What is 1 minus tan x? 1 minus tan x derivative. 1 minus tan x derivative is minus secant square x. Minus secant square x. Okay. So, that is right. This is direct formula. So, integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. What I can write? I can write this f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. What is f of x here? F of x is 1 minus tan x. So 1 minus tan x whole power n plus 1. What is n? N is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1, divided by minus 1 plus c. Now look here, this minus minus will get cancelled. So that what you will get? 1 minus tan x whole power minus 1. That can be written as 1 divided by 1 minus tan x plus c. I hope you are understanding. Last problem. Okay, hero of this story. This is the hero of this story. Integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx is f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Now, I'll rearrange this function. In examination, by seeing the question, you need to get an idea that this can be converted into this form. Okay, integral of 2 plus 3x cube whole power minus 3. Here you see 1 divided by 2 plus 3x cube whole cube is there. Na? 2 plus 3x cube whole cube is there. Na? That can be written like this. 2 plus 3x cube whole power minus 3 into this x square is there here, that x square I will write into x square dx. What is derivative of 2 plus 3x cube? I will calculate. D by dx of 2 plus 3x cube. Okay, derivative of 2 plus 3x cube. Look here, derivative of 2 is 0. Derivative of 2 is 0. Okay, 0 plus derivative of 3 into x cube. Here 3 is constant. Na? Derivative of x cube is what? Derivative of x cube is 3x square. That equal to 9x square. So derivative of 2 plus 3x cube is 9x square. Okay. So here derivative of 2 plus 3x cube is 9x square. But here x square is there. 9x square is not there. So what I will do here, look here, that equal to 1 by 9 into integral of 2 plus 3x cube whole power minus 3 into 9x square dx. 2 plus 3x cube whole power minus 3 into 9x square. You look here, this 9 will get cancelled. Again you will get same step. What is there above? Why I written like this? Because derivative of 2 plus 3x cube is 9x square. Derivative of 2 plus 3x cube is 9x square. I need 9 here. I need 9 here. That's why I multiplied this function, multiplied and divided with 9. Okay. Now you look, this equal to 1 by 9 into, you observe this one, this is of this form or not? This is f of x whole power n into its derivative is 9x square. So the given problem is of the form integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Right? What is its answer? Its answer is f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. What is f of x? This is f of x. Right? So that equal to 2 plus 3x cube whole power n plus 1 minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is what? Minus 2 divided by minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 plus c. If I simplify this, what I will get? This is a minus 1 by 18 into, this is there, no? This can be written as 1 divided by 2 plus 3x cube whole square plus c. I hope you understand this problem. So today's story hero, this one. Actually, what problems we are doing? We are doing exercise number 7.2 problems. In this exercise number 7.2 problems, total 3 formulas you learn. I'll just quickly go through those things. In this model number 3, till now you learn 3 formulas. What is the first formula? Integral of f dash of x divided by f of x dx. When given integral is of this form, we will write its answer directly. Log mod f of x plus c. Okay. Second formula. When given integral is of the form integral of f dash of x divided by root f of x dx is 2 root f of x plus c. Based on these 2 formulas, we did problems in last class. You please check that. Integration is all about model wise, one after another we need to do. If you not good in last model, if you didn't learn last class, then understanding this class is difficult task. Okay, these 2 formulas we learn in last class, and in this class what problems we did? When given integral is of the form integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. When given integral is of this form, its answer is f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Till now in this model we done problems based on these three formulas. Okay. In next class, in exercise 7.2 only, this is integration by substitution. So many problems. See, whatever the problems I picked, 22 questions, around 30 questions are there in that exercise, I think. 22 questions we are able to solve with the help of these three formulas. So remaining 8 questions, we need to use actual substitution method. So in next class, you will learn what is substitution method in integration. I hope you understand this class.